That's fucking spicy. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Dyno Day video. We got Bobby's STI out here. We're turning this thing to the moon today. The plan is to hit the track next weekend with all the Subaru boys, all the BBR built cars out here in Spokane. I think they're going to Seattle, and I think there's like 12 cars going. So yeah, today we're gonna turn up Bobby's car. We've got a whole new fuel system in it, and we're hoping for at least 600. Bader mentioned the 700 number earlier. I don't think we're gonna get anywhere near that, just because it's only a 58. So I guess we'll see what this little 58 can do. If we had a spare turbo just laying around, we'd probably throw it on just for fun. You know, like a 6.2 or 6.4, 6.6. But we do love how the 58 drives on the street. It's really fun. Bader's claiming at a 6.4, 6.6 would spool like 200 RPM later, which maybe down the road we'll put a 6.4 on it and make 800 on a slot motor.
I like how Bader keeps slowly convincing you over time.
Also, if you guys know Subarus, you know this thing right here is pretty damn rare. This here is the Type RA STI number 58 of 500. Interior's identical to Bob. I guess this is just as rare as that car because they made 500 of these and 500 of those. Party time, baby boy.
Oh, I'm beyond ready. I've been waiting for this day. A good clutch. What is this?
Oh yeah, test it out.
Very excited to test out.
Yes, sir.
Sure it's gonna hold the power.
Just press it in real quick and let me know what you think. It might kind of give you a boner.
Oh.
Is that weird?
That's factory. Subaru.
I know.
You guys outdid yourself. Clean that baby up.
Oh yeah.
Like stock.
Isn't that weird, dude?
Dude, it's stock.
It feels like a stock clutch.
It does. Don't mind the jap footer. I can get her for your eco map. That's like 15.8, 16.0, and she starts to break up a little bit. So it's like 15.2 to 15.6 at cruising anywhere from 65 to 85 in that region.
Perfect. Bobby's gonna get all the fuel mileage now.
Yeah, we'll see how much that does. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty much perfect for cruising on the other map. It's like 14.0 to 14.5.
Beautiful. Yeah, Bobby requested specifically for a fuel eco map, so Bader did his thing, and now she should get what, 20 plus?
Yeah, I'm excited to see what it does. You know, obviously pump gas, and on these cars usually 17 miles a gallon, but if we can get her anywhere into 20s or mid 20s, doing good.
That'd be titties.
So that's what we'll try. Now that we got all the drivability cleaned up, I'm gonna start tipping into it, cleaning up the pump gas low boost map right now, and then I don't think we'll push it too far on this. We are a bit low on fuel.
I got fuel.
You did? Pump gas? Nice. Because quarter tank, that's usually where they start to suck that Hainer dry.
Yeah, okay.
So
I got 5 gallon.
We'll do a poll, we'll see how everything looks. If I see anything that looks pretty lean and it's not responding, then we'll pump that in.
All right.
But
big bet.
All good.
435. Deeper there?
That'll leave it for pump. 21.2 pounds.
Yeah. Sick. 435. Same as last time. Pump gas map is all finished up. We are pulling out the 92 octane right now, and we are gonna go to E85. Are you ready for this, Bobby?
That's all I've been waiting for.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. It always makes me nervous though.
Why?
You too?
No?
I don't know. Stock motor.
Yeah, well there's people making literally 800 on stock motors right now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna max this turbo out for sure because it's tiny, but we'll be fine. It'll be fine.
It's not necessarily, I guess, the stock motor I'm worried about. It's the turbo.
Your little turbo?
Yeah.
It'll be alright. Alright, we got E76, which is plenty. It is time for the moon tune, boys. Like 566 on 26 pounds, and we're turning it up more to 30 pounds, and then we're probably going to end around 35-ish, 36 pounds. So I guess we'll see what she does. We just broke 617 to be exact, on 32 pounds
Makes me want to do
of boost. I'm not sure how much is left in it. That was a good click. Good job, Bob.
Thanks.
But whatever we make from here on out, it's all fun because we made 600.
That was the goal, 600.
I'm gonna go eat rice cakes.
The skirts were gonna be gone, so.
Well, you ready to go for a rip ski?
Yes.
You know the usual, you're driving.
Okay, well tell us what you think. How'd she do?
I'm impressed. I think it made really good power for the boost that it was on. Pretty spot on if you'd ask me with what a 58 should make. I think they rate them for 650. Usually with Subarus we say 50 to 100 wheel less is what it'll make. Being that it made 617, we're right on target. We're out of turbo. I'm telling them, put a 6.4 on this thing. We can make another 100 wheel probably at the same boost level.
Maybe one day, but for now we're gonna go enjoy it real quick. You ready, Bob? So it made 626, but that's like completely maxing out the turbo. It wasn't really worth beating on everything at an additional 9 wheel. So final numbers was 617 or 618?
617.
617.
617 is a lot more than I thought.
Yeah, I mean it broke 6, so I'm happy.
You should be happy. That's a damn good number.
You do. I do want you to drive.
Jap put it too.
I want you to drive this clutch a little bit around. Let me know what you think. She's not smoking yet.
I got the driver. Get the driver on the dyno.
True.
Alright, I can be camera boy. Gotta hold this thing as best as I can because we know how these go. What the fuck, dude? Maybe pick a little bit further down the road, but holy shit when it kicked in.
At first it was like not
wave.
fast, and then it was like, what?
I told you I taper down in the mid-range just a hair. Holy fuck. But up top, this is normally where it's a lot better, a lot smoother roads. Get her down in the gears a little bit.
That's fucking spicy. That is one solid unit.
Dude,
Wow.
That thing is
How much boost are you
ripper.
trying to hit? Because that's 34 pounds.
Yeah,
You
that's right at target.
Pop the axis port out too.
You feel that spicy timing up top, don't you?
It's a spicy unit.
It just won't stop pulling.
Bobby, you want to drive?
Did you have traction control on the first time, maybe?
Oh,
That might have been it. Dude, it's pretty fast. I think you gotta recoup yourself on the 1-2 shift.
yeah. I need like,
Dude.
my heart rate's got to calm down a little bit.
Have you ever felt this much power?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
My 8 definitely makes more, for sure.
Yeah. Well, I would hope so.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Fucking, I'm ready for the track. Let's go.
Dude, 100%.
How did it feel?
Dude, it's fast. What do
Yeah.
you think?
That feels really good.
I'm scared to like keep beating the fuck out of it.
I know. We keep it tame for the track day. We gotta
Look at
keep
this
it for the
axis
track
board.
day. Look at you ripping your axle board out.
It's never
It's
done
so
that
hard.
before.
Oh, that's working. She spun all through second there.
Goddamn.
Probably let her cool down.
Yeah.
This is our abuse. Look at that idle though.
I know. This thing runs like stock.
Dude, it drives so good.
Yeah.
Stock
It's
clutch,
awesome.
stock injectors.
Stock motor. Stock turbo.
Okay.
Stock.
We need Bobby to beat on it a few times. I don't want to blow it up.
Yeah,
for
we
you.
gotta let Bobby drive it.
You think she'll last like this?
I think she will.
It's pretty rowdy though.
It's
huh?
pretty rowdy.
It's pretty aggressive.
Depends on how far into gears you go every time, but
Yeah.
it's pretty fast.
I know. Every time I hit fourth, I'm just waiting for a ride.
I know. I'm like.
How
grinning.
long do you think the turbo's gonna last? Like,
So, as you guys saw on the dyno, turbo is pretty much tapped out. Even at this 34 pounds, it touches it and it falls to 30. It's gonna have a shortened lifespan. It's already got 10K on it, pretty much at this power anyways. So, I would say it's probably gonna cut its life in half at least. We already noticed some shaft play, so I wouldn't be too surprised. Down the road, bigger turbo time.
Yes, sir.
But, dude, that's something else up top.
Yeah, that's fun, dude.
Show the boys the tachometer.
Okay, that was the
All right.
last one.
We're done.
Holy fuck.
You're done.
On the track, are you hitting fourth?
Yeah.
You ride fourth out?
Fourth all the way out the back.
Yeah. I'm nervous for the track, bro.
Dude, you can't be that
you're
nervous.
gonna be driving this on the track?
Yeah.
Everybody comment down below because he's going to go fast at the track and be hooked for life. He's already a natural. I mean, you can drive on the street, drive a car that spins, and then you go to the track and use the same knowledge, you're going fast.
It's just all the people watching me is gonna make me miss a year.
Nah. It's just you and the car. That's it.
Yeah, missing is fun, dude.
Dude, it's fast. It's pretty crazy. Was a bike cop. Want to race, brother?
I thought it wasn't.
I thought it was too.
So the most the car made was 626 wheel horsepower and 496 foot-pounds of torque. That was hitting 34 pounds and then tapering back down to 30 just because this little turbo can't really handle it. Bader ended up turning the car down, and the final numbers where the car is sitting at is 617 wheel horsepower and 487 foot-pounds. Keep in mind this engine does have 51,000 miles on it, but she seems to be taking it well. Not sure how long it's going to last at this power level. I know there's plenty of stock like Type RA engines lasting quite a while at even higher horsepower numbers. E85, this turbo is completely maxed out. Car only made 435 on pump gas, which was fairly conservative for the setup, and I think on pump gas it would last forever because it made the same exact power that it did before on pump gas. That is a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have Bader's website linked down below if you're trying to get your car built by them. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.